There's no perfect introduction, there's just people being themselves. So I hope you enjoy me being me. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can see, our new prop, my Christmas tree. So we are going to be decorating this Christmas tree. I'm going to be decorating and you're going to be part of that. Also, I have bought quite a few Christmas stuff, so I'm going to show you that. So this is the first item. It has 6 balls and that's it. Then I have this Christmas cap to twin with my best friend, and I'm revealing this exclusively here. I just wish you could guess what's in here, and I will be showing you. So I have watched Zoella since I was a teenager, and I have been watching her since I was a teenager, and I loved that one mug, Santa Claus mug that she had. And she had an entire set, you know, like with the plate, with that mug, and the mug had the lid as the Santa Claus hat. And yesterday, when I saw this, my heart just literally screamed Christmas. And as soon as I got this, I was like, I had to get this. Actually, I had 2 options. There was another red mug, but it was just with the stupid face of Santa Claus, like white beard and just 2 small stupid eyes, and it was like big in size at the same price, but I loved this. So I got another one. For me and my best friend to twin in Christmas. Actually, I'm going to gift her this one as her Christmas gift, and I have not gifted her for her birthday because her birthday was in lockdown. So this is her birthday / Christmas present, and I can't wait. Actually, I've hid this from her, and I just want her reaction, and she's going to be so happy. And this is the best thing I have got in this entire year, I feel. Apart from the money which I got for Raksha Bandhan, but this is like the best. So wait for our Christmas celebration. I think I'm gonna try to vlog that as well. And then I just wanted a few Christmas lights, so I got these. So I'm gonna decorate this right now. Then I have these drums in a very colorful packet. Then I have these gifts. Then I have Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Then I have this packet of golden balls. It has glitter, it has metallic shine, it has, I don't know what's that, matte, but this is that. I'll show you how it is. I think, see, this is the glitter ball. I don't know if you can see this clearly. I think you can. Then I have these 2. Then I have these balls. I've opened the stuff, colorful balls. Then I have these same in red as I had in golden. Then I just have this Christmas star to put it at the top. So I have this, and I think that's all. And then I have this net cloth, and then I have this to make it as a skirt. So let's see what I can do out of it. So first things first, I'm gonna set the lights up. Now let's see how that turns. So now I have set my Christmas lights, and I'm gonna show it to you how it looks with the lights on. It looks so pretty. Am I yelling? I am. I don't care. Doesn't it look so pretty? Just like me. Now I'll be decorating my, I think you can see this. Yeah, now you can, I think. I don't think you can see it exactly how it looks in real, but it looks pretty. It looks really pretty. Wait, I think you can see it right now. So I just want to say, I kept the theme of red and golden last year, and this year has been so unpredictable, and it has given me all sorts of emotions, and it has been so different that this year I'm not keeping any theme. But what I'm trying to do is also a theme, I think. So I'm gonna mix it all up. So last Christmas I just used red and golden decoration. So this year I'm gonna use it all the colors, all that we have. So let's see how it looks. I think I would like to decorate my tree a lot at the upper side, because I think that will be visible in my video if I have my tree in the background. But let's see. Just put a little bit of stuff, and it's looking so rich already. And I'm loving this mixed decoration theme. Gorgeous this looks. So this is how my tree looks. So full and happy. Oh my god, I feel so stupid for not doing this last year, because this looks so good, so full and so nice. I am looking horrible, but my tree is looking so good. Like, I really love how full it looks. And actually, I am done with all the decoration. That is left right now are the big balls to put on the tree. And I was like, let's do it together. I've put the blue one, and now I'm just deciding where to put these. But these are so good. Love. I really wanted to put big ornaments so that my tree looked full, but I just somehow felt that I just needed these balls at these size, because I was gonna get some more which were huge, but then I was like, let's just try these first, and I was so sure that I'm gonna be okay with this. And look at my tree, it is already so full, and these are perfect. These are the only ones that I needed, and I'm just so happy with my purchase. It for today, guys. So I'm gonna wind up my day with the decoration of this beautiful tree. I am so excited to show this cup to my best friend. This is like so good. This is like the best thing on Christmas, because she just called me today and she was like, I'm gonna bring my Santa Santa cap and that hairbands. And should I bring my Christmas mugs? She has these mugs where there are Christmas verses written, and there is Santa Claus hat prints on this cup. And I was like, no, not like. So I have plain white mugs which she has seen, so I don't know, we'll use those mugs which are really good and aesthetic. So she's like, yeah, okay. And little does she know that I have planned this for her. And you know what, I have just realized this thing, that whenever I plan my videos, or whenever just I decide, so today is Sunday, I'm gonna record this video, I'm gonna get ready, and if I do my hair and makeup, and if I rehearse my content, my lines of whatever I'm gonna say, like I'll say it like this, how I will talk, it is always a flop, or I just don't like it. I have so many videos which I have gotten ready and shot, and I'm like, I just don't like them. And today I am my messiest, realest, authentic self. Like, I have washed my hair and not even combed them, because curly hair looks good only when they are like this. If you comb them, it's frizzy and so bad. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. At least, if not decorating the tree together, I just hope you loved or liked watching this, and just let me know about how you feel about this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, Merry Christmas. Say hello to my Christmas tree that we just finished decorating. I'm giving you a zoomed version of how full, how